Hi, and here we are again, and we're looking today at these two sounds. We're looking at the Z and the Z, the short Z sound, Z, and the long Z sound. Okay, now this is the lady, and she makes the short Z sound. She makes the Z sound. Can you make the Z sound? Z. Well done, it's a short Z sound. And you'll hear the difference between the man who makes the Z sound. It's a longer, slightly deeper sound. Z. 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 The man makes the long Z sound rather than the Z, Z or the Z. It's a different length of the sound because this one is a digraph, 2 letters, 1 sound. So we're just going to read some words, and it might have a short Z in it or a long Z. Okay? Or I might be asking you today also to write some of these words down. So the first word is robot arms. Ready? We haven't done this for a little while. Z, I, b, zip, zip. Z, I, g, z, a, g. Zigzag. Can you draw a zigzag with your finger? Draw a zigzag with your finger. Oh, could you pause the video and write this one down? I'll just shrink myself down there, or maybe I'll just move myself up out of the way. This word is I, z. Could you write down that word? I, z. I, z. What about this one? Could you write down this word? B, a, z. Buzz. What letter do you hear first? Is it a or a b? Second sound, is it an a or an a? And the last sound, is it a z or a k? If you need more time, you can always pause. What about this? They're playing some jazz music. Jazz music. J, a, z. J, a, z. Jazz. They're a jazz band playing some jazz music. Okay, just another one to read now. Z, e, b, a. The picture really will help you there. Z, e, b, a. Zebra. Zebra. What about this one? There's a digraph, tricky digraph at the beginning here. It's the qu, I, z. Now you go. Quiz. The word is quiz. Or this one, remembering the y on the end of the word makes the e sound. The y on the end of the word makes the e sound. So we've got a I, z, e. Fizzy. I, z, e. Fizzy. You'll go. Well done. What about this one? Oh, he's feeling a bit. He's feeling a bit. D, I, z, e. There's that e sound at the end with a y at the end. Dizzy. He's feeling a bit dizzy, isn't he? Jerry the mouse from Tom and Jerry. Oh, here's another one. Z, all, puzzle. Z, all, puzzle. Oh, here's a tricky one. The long Z sound again, not the Z, but the Z. B, all, I, Z, R, D. Blizzard, or blizzard, we might say in this country. Blizzard or blizzard, because it's got that R-A-R digraph in there. Blizzard, and it's when it snows a lot, isn't it? A blizzard. It's almost like a snowstorm, but not quite. Well, here's one with a short Z sound in it. I, Z, R, D. Lizard. Lizard or lizard. Lizard. Now, just looking at those words, lizard and blizzard. Lizard and blizzard. The only difference is this one has a Z long sound, and I can't tell you why, because I don't know. But it's funny, isn't it? There's only one letter different, and it means that one is the short Z and one is the long Z digraph. Okay, I'm going to move myself back down again here. There's some words for you to spell and have a go. If you look at my mouse, that will help you. And the word is sizzle. S-I, Z, O. S-I, Z, O. You might need to pause to write that. Sizzle. Oh, here's another one. Zoomed. Zoomed. Z, U, ed. Zoomed. Zoomed. You might need to pause to write that one down. Buzzing. Buzzing. The B is buzzing. B, A, Z, I, ng. B, A, Z, I, ng. Buzzing. And now there's some sentences for you to write to see if you are moving around all the time today. See if you can match the right word into the sentence. The B, buzz, buzzed, buzzer or buzzing to the flower. Okay, so you can always come back to these and I'll leave these in the presentation for you. Oh, and there he is, buzzing. The lemonade was fizzy or fizzing. I wonder which one it could be. Here he is, quite a happy gentleman here, isn't he? I something up my jacket on my own. I wonder if you could finish that sentence with the correct Z word. And then if you want to, you can always play the Buzzy Bee on, whoops. You can always play the Buzzy Bee game on Education City just to help you recap. Okay, so good luck with your Z words. Those sentences are what I want you to do. They'll be in the slides as well. So good luck. I look forward to seeing what you get up to, and I'll speak to you again soon.